What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today we're talking about a brand new update to Pentastic. Yes, the good lock application that allows you to customize your S Pen. And if you have a S Ultra phone and you're not using Pentastic, you're really missing out, because Samsung has an array of different customization features that you can use to make the S Pen really your own. And today they added a brand new feature, which maybe you guys can see right here. The new floating icon customization allows you to make your Air Command floating icon any icon you want. I've got a picture of my car right there as my floating icon now, and that is what's introduced to this new update. I'll tell you guys about it in this video. Also, there's some problems with this update on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I'll talk about that as well. Before we get started, do want to remind you guys, check out our website, sammyguru.com, latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews for all of your Samsung needs. Also, Mystery Box program is open now for the S25 Edge, the Z Fold 7, and the Z Flip 7, which means you can get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies when you pre-order an S25 Edge, Z Fold 7, or Z Flip 7. Tap on the phone you're interested in, it'll take you to our text sign-up page, and you'll get a text message when these phones go up for pre-order. All you have to do is use our link to order through Samsung's US website, and then verify your order. We ship it free of charge. You pay nothing for the items or the shipping cost. And overall, we love doing this for our subscribers/readers. Check it out in the pinned comment and description below. So in this update, and actually let's go back to Sammy Guru, because I did have the article up. We wrote this up as the news was breaking. This is version 2.3.08. I sideloaded this update. I didn't have it available yet inside of the Galaxy Store, so I went to APK Mirror. And let's just go into Good Lock, and I'll show you guys here. This version adds one new feature and then fixes some bugs. The new feature is the new custom floating icon. So you guys can see here, Pentastic, tap info. You can do a bunch of things already, which I'll take a look at, but I'll show you guys really quickly in the store. The update version, you can see right here. I did not have the most recent version. I had 2.2.04, so that's why I had to sideload it. And that is why I did that from APK Mirror. So if we go in here, check out the version number. This is 2.3.08, that new version we were just talking about. You may have the new version already in the Galaxy Store by the time I post this video. So just check the Galaxy Store first. If you want to sideload it, I'll drop the link below to APK Mirror, but always make sure you know what you're doing to sideload APKs. So here's the brand new feature. And I'll quickly mention some of the other features too, but let's talk about this new thing first. Floating icons, very simple feature. The icon over here that appears for your Air Command, you can now customize this to any photo that you want. You can see here I've got the one of my car. You can change it to anything in your gallery. Now, unlike some of these other options where Samsung has predefined kind of options like the pointer, you can change your pointer to be a custom pointer. Like you could have this crocodile pointer, which my son really likes, or the sloth or whatever. You can also change it to a custom one. For the icon, there are no predefined styles, so you have to choose a custom or the default. There are really no like other customizable option that Samsung has set up. So you can do default, which is this one, this very simple Air Command. Let me show you guys. Or, which is right there, or you can do custom. In that case, it's going to take you to your gallery. And then I went ahead, chose this photo of my car. Now, the one complaint I have is that once you choose the photo, there's really no way to crop it, because I might like to move this back so I could get like a better view of the front, maybe my rims or something like that. You really can't. So you really can't crop the custom floating icon. You just choose a photo, it kind of centers it the best it can, uses whatever it thinks is the best centering, and then you tap use, and then you're gonna get your custom floating icon over here where your Air Command pops up, depending on the settings you have for your Air Command. So this is in addition to a bunch of other options that you have. Remember, you can also change your Air Command menu style. You can change it to the line style, which you can customize various things with that. There's various different options you have for the Air Command. That's not going to change the floating icon. You can still use it no matter what style you're using of the Air Command. Some of the circles, and then even if you want to go super hardcore retro style, you've got the old school Samsung Air Command right there, which is a very cool one indeed. I like to switch between mine. I like to customize everything in my phone, just kind of rotate through, keeps it fresh, keeps it interesting. Again, the pointers, and then down here, two of my favorites, you can do custom sound, which there's some that match the various pointers. Here we go. kind of hard to hear even with the sound up. There you go. Just a little roar for the crocodile. And then down here, you've got double tap shortcut, which is one of my favorite customization features in Pentastic. If you turn this feature on, you can basically double tap to do anything. You can open a particular app. The one that I always like, because I use my S Pen a lot to crop stuff on Instagram, is you can basically hold down the S Pen button and double tap the screen. So if I'm just chilling, you know, out here, I can double tap the screen and it's gonna open up my Instagram right there. I can go ahead and crop some photos and reshare them. Anyway, yeah, so pretty nice update. Now, the bad news is, and here's the bad news, I told you guys I was gonna tell you some bad news about S25 Ultra users. You guys are probably wondering why I have my S24 Ultra in this video, and that's because I sideloaded this update on my S25 Ultra, and guess what? The custom feature's not there. Version 2.3.08, the same exact version, right there. No custom floating icon, just the old options. So I don't know what's going on. This is obviously some evidence of more disjointed One UI 7 nonsense, I guess. The beta has a newer firmware on the S24 Ultra, beta 6, than on the S25 Ultra March patch. And so when you install Pentastic, you don't get this cool new feature. I'm sure it'll get fixed when One UI 7 stable arrives next month. It looks like the S25 Ultra has kind of been in a beta phase since release, and maybe we'll finally get the stable One UI 7 code in April for the S25 Ultra as well. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, check out sammyguru.com for all your Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, reviews. Mystery box program if you're going to buy S25 Edge, Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7. Check that out. Appreciate you guys checking out the video, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.